Here is an example of a kidney-friendly diet for a dialysis patient, breaking it down into meal components and giving some specific foods and portions to show how dietary restrictions are applied. For breakfast, you can have scrambled eggs with 1 to 2 eggs, which are a good protein source. Pair it with half an apple or a small handful of blueberries, as they are low in potassium. For grains, opt for 1 slice of white bread, since it's low in phosphorus. Avoid whole wheat due to its higher phosphorus content. For a drink, stick to water or herbal tea to control fluid intake. For a mid-morning snack, consider a low-sodium option like 1 small rice cake or unsalted crackers with a slice of turkey or chicken breast, providing protein and carbs while being low in sodium. At lunch, grilled chicken breast or fish, such as tilapia or cod, is a great choice as they are low in potassium and phosphorus. Add steamed cauliflower or carrots for vegetables, which are also low in potassium and phosphorus. For grains, white rice or pasta are good low phosphorus and low potassium options. Again, drink water or a small amount of fruit juice, keeping fluid restrictions in mind. For an afternoon snack, you can have a quarter cup of grapes or an apple, along with a small handful of unsalted almonds or walnuts. Just be cautious with the quantity of nuts, as they are high in phosphorus, but small amounts are okay. For dinner, a serving of baked chicken, lean beef, or tofu works well for protein. Pair it with low potassium vegetables like green beans, bell peppers, or zucchini. For grains, mashed white potatoes without skin or white rice are suitable. Drink water, considering your overall daily fluid limit. If allowed, for an evening snack, you can enjoy a small pear or a couple of strawberries, along with low-sodium crackers or a slice of bread. Foods to limit or avoid include high-potassium items like bananas, oranges, tomatoes, and potatoes. Instead, choose lower potassium fruits like apples, grapes, or berries. For high phosphorus foods, avoid dairy products like cheese and milk, or limit portions, and consider non-dairy milk options like almond milk, but check for added phosphorus. Also, avoid nuts, seeds, and dark sodas like cola. For high sodium foods, steer clear of processed or canned foods, such as canned soup, frozen meals, or deli meats, and use herbs and spices for flavoring instead of salt. Fluid restrictions are important, as a dialysis patient may need to limit fluid intake. Drinking too much water or consuming foods with high water content can lead to fluid buildup. Stick to the fluid limit recommended by the doctor, usually 1-5 liters per day, including all drinks and high water foods. This sample meal plan focuses on protein-rich foods like eggs, fish, and chicken to help replenish protein lost during dialysis. It includes low-potassium fruits and vegetables like apples, berries, cauliflower, and carrots to help control potassium intake. It also emphasizes low-sodium and low-phosphorus grains like white rice and white bread to avoid excessive phosphorus and sodium, along with healthy fats like olive oil and small portions of nuts to promote heart health. Working with a healthcare provider or dietitian is essential to ensure the diet is tailored to the individual patient's specific needs and the type of dialysis they are receiving.